Hi guys, my name's Scott. I'm the company owner of Capital Car Care based in Edinburgh in Scotland. I was looking to do leather repair and leather restoration as a bolt-on to my existing business. I first came across the leather repair company on social media. The reason why I chose to go with the leather repair company is they are the only company in the UK to be IMI approved on their 3-day training course. From the first point of contact that I made with Richard to the day of my actual training, I can't fault Richard in one bit. He was there on hand to answer any questions I had prior to training, during training and after the training. On the first day of arrival, I was made very welcome by Richard and the guys at Leather Repair Company. Their training facilities they have down there in Hill are second to none. They've got everything you need on hand for your training and things to take away with you as well. Over the course of the 3 days, I did learn everything from scuffs, tears, how to apply colour correctly and lacquer as well. The aftercare that Richard offers is again second to none. He's there at any minute throughout the day, regardless of the time, to give you advice. If you do have any questions, it's not a big issue to Richard. Phone him, text him or email him, they will get back to you. Thanks.